Bwa gatigati bw'omuchi obusongo rituko lya rero nigaba bwatani bekyombe kimanyikaire buna Matiang'i for Kenya Lobby Group kurora rwango rwa Gusii inse ikiama gia Jubilee basokire na kurarie ganga yabo yokumusira Daktari Fred Matiang'i kurigekero kyoburayi bwense asobochore buru busyo ase aliekeranete keraringe asobokorari nigo baburira abasaye bwasokia sobonge na kubwata chikura erigokora amauncherelyo.
Abo batani bekiama gia Jubilee kurwa sorogongo rwa Gusii aborase kiombe gia Matiang'i for Kenya Lobby Group niko besokire na kurarie ganga yabo yokumusira Dr. Fred Matiang'i kuraense bosyo yobochore bonene bo mwaka w'ikirubere 2025.
Today we gather here as a lobby group to rally behind a man who has shown exemplary leadership and dedication to public service. His Excellency Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i is a man who has proven time to time again his commitment to transparency and accountability and transformation in our society. As we look forward to the future, we believe that His Excellency Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i is the leader that Kenya needs.
Okwana barikiriti kurerere meyo muchobo songo nigo bagikire bagusi bare bakorera mamincha Dr. Matiang'i asikire nigo ikraneti amayamanga asobokorerwae.
Matiang'i power. Power. Matiang'i power. Power. Matiang'i tuoma. Tuoma. Matiang'i tuoma. Tuoma. Twatebire ase sauti ya mabuna bagusii ingo omwana ominto Matiang'i takoenda gokorerwa egosori yeye abantu bataete komokorera paka nkaso boga. Matiang'i no omwana bwa bakenya bonse egasi akorete tari Gusii yoka yenjoiria matunda aya igakoreira abantu.
His track record of success, his commitment to serving the people, and his vision for a better Kenya makes him the ideal candidate for the presidency come 2027. We hereby endorse His Excellency Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i as our presidential candidate and urge all Kenyans to support him in the upcoming election 2027 August 10th.
Matiang'i oe. Oe. Form si form.
Paka Matiang'i angie.
Intego nko tebi omwana ito Matiang'i ngantu abana abake chensi twachandikira. Korwa karweto burayi obori bwa kwa bwatenga kiigwatene tamangana security kwatene tamangana ye education ebinte byonsi pibyasirire omone togosabanga nyasa oli oregoratwe omorayo ito Gusii omwana oyo itatorae ebinto bibere bitato binyare koreke bisho Matiang'i oe. Oe. Matiang'i oe.
Oe. Ekeumbu kiatokire kebwatwa obuya ekigere anda Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i moroche gasi akorete chiminisi chonsi pia akorete akagorora ebinto byachire bugeka efisi abaiboli babeke irunga chanu ali banse gwakana efisi konye kurukibaki aletete free education bona anto ira ndi tochaka gwakana efisi ngaye efisi abakenya mabwachi basa bakuru efisi kaka
Shinga kichicho niko bakire mbya gucha sabare yaba chora sobochore bokebwaita na kubaganiria maya asobokorerwabo.
We also wish to take this opportunity to congratulate the members elected recently in the by-elections, that is more particularly in Nyamira and other counties where the opposition front took lead. Your hard work and dedication to serving your constituents have recognized and have been rewarded. And for that reason, we look forward to positive changes you will bring to our community through your leadership and commitment.
Dr. Fred Matiang'i ngambe yamono asogo itaba nagosika tingateranga echama yaitu gego chikotwara free and fair nomination igona bonko welcome aspirant bonse biba so Jubilee togaende tokore fair and free nomination so that this Jubilee candidate ebogoli biroge binge Kenya musima na Matiang'i arachakonyore sauti ne chinguru chiogokorega siasa Kenya
asebono baborire basahe wesoke na kubwata chikura sobonge erigwikirania monchorere maya bosyo bochore bonene.
We are here today to encourage our young people to take the first step forward towards shaping the future of our nation by obtaining their identity cards and registering as voters. It is only through this active participation in the democratic process that we can ensure that our voices are heard and our concerns are addressed.
Kuripotiria Ensoko TV kuruboga tagati umuchobo songo nchempethuel Machin.